Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to change your Bitcoin address on Cash App. So let's get started. It's important to know that the Bitcoin wallet address provided by Cash App for sending and receiving payments changes periodically. This is a standard practice implemented by Cash App to ensure privacy and enhance security for its users. If you want to change your Bitcoin wallet address manually, the only way to do this is by deleting your current Cash App Bitcoin wallet. Keep in mind that doing this will permanently remove the existing wallet and any associated data, so make sure you've transferred or withdrawn any Bitcoin balance beforehand. You can delete your existing wallet by going to your profile and scroll to end to find support. In the Support menu, click on Account and Settings and then click on Close Account. Tap Confirm to delete your current wallet. Once your current Bitcoin wallet is deleted, Cash App will automatically generate a new Bitcoin wallet for you the next time you enable the Bitcoin wallet feature. This newly created wallet will come with a fresh Bitcoin address. That's essentially how you can get a new Bitcoin address on Cash App. Thanks for watching.